Welcome to an episode of Sunny Sunday. I'm Guy Collada, and we're going to speak French today. We're going to speak French culture. 10 years ago, the earth shook in Haiti. The capital, Port-au-Prince, sits atop a fault, and when that fault sheared, it sent buildings flying through the air like popcorn out of a frying pan. The story, Dr. Jean, in the book Bienvenue en Haiti, talks about that. Haiti, of course, shares the island of Hispaniola with the Dominican Republic, and the book covers the culture, the language, the food. The language, of course, is both Creole. There are two languages, Creole and French. French is taught in school, and Creole is spoken in the streets. We actually met some Haitians who taught us a few words of Creole, and we had a lot of fun doing that.
En Haïti, les gens parlent le français et le créole.
Oui, non, ça qu'a fait.
Ça qu'a fait bon de poser tout petit yo même.
Nous là. Avant de parler avec vous, j'ai réalisé que beaucoup de gens ne connaissent pas c'est quoi Haïti.
Ah, salut.
Salut, comment ça va?
Ça va bien?
Excellent. Ça qu'a passé?
Ma boulet, petit.
Ah, ça c'est bien.
Ça c'est bien.
Ça c'est bien. C'est créole.
So this book is available with an accompanying DVD and activities. You can get the book and the videos as digital format. So when you buy the kit, you also get access to the online digital edition. And so this is the digital edition right here. And we're on the Planet French website, Booksmart's Planet French website. And if I click on the loop right here, and I type in this case, I want the Haiti kit, and it takes me, if I click on any of the lessons, it'll take me to the page, the course page. And you click on the course, and here are all the components. So you have the teacher's guide, you have the flip book, and you have the videos. Each section or chapter in the book is matched by a corresponding video. So here we open the book and we can flip the pages as you would with the printed version, right? Except it's online. And you can give access to the online digital edition to your students as well. So they can study this at home, or they can all work together in the classroom in different groups or individually. And you notice the colored squares here, they represent the levels. There are three levels of difficulty, texts of three levels of difficulty in each one of our kits. So here, the table of content, you can see we have les Espagnols, Haïti, les Français arrivent, etc. So we cover the history, the culture, and so on. And then we can get to the first page. The green rectangle signifies that this is an easy level text. And of course it is. It's very factual, straight sentences. We have a nice map of Haiti. You can zoom in, and this is the island of Hispaniola. It's divided in two, so half the island is the Dominican Republic, and the other half is Haiti. Haiti! Then you have les Espagnols, and les Français arrivent. So the blue text is intermediate level, and the black with the rectangle here is an advanced level. One of the things that's exciting about this kit is that it happens in the sun. We're talking about Haiti. So why am I wearing black? Let's change. That's more like it. Okay, so what's cool about this is that you have teacher's guide, and it's pretty complete. Let me show you what I mean. We're going to scoot over to the teacher's guide. And so on the right-hand side of the digital kit, you have all the different components. And this is the teacher's guide. So whatever you click on, that's where you're going to get, right? So for example, I click on Les Régions d'Haïti, Niveau Facile, I click on that, and it's going to take me there. And here we are, Les Régions d'Haïti. There's a bit of artwork here, and then you have the actual video. We want to look at the teacher's guide. So we get to the teacher's guide, we expand it with this icon, and you can flip the pages this way. Right. So here you're greeted in the front. You're greeted with the different outcomes. We're using an action-oriented approach, so we want a summative task at the end of the unit, and we're using step activities to build the language skills for your students to be able to complete that summative task at the end of the unit. So we have different kinds of summative tasks depending on the level of your students. We have some very basic, easy, simple tasks for younger students, and then we have more advanced, mature tasks if your students are older or a lot more advanced. For example, we suggest a task where ta tante se marie, persuade-la de fêter sa lune de miel en Haïti. And to do that, you're going to connect that activity with the different videos, specific videos and specific texts in the book. So you're using both iteratively. You're going back and forth between the text in the book and the videos to reinforce that multiple intelligences learning, and to be able to step to being able to do this summative task. What we did at the back of the book have the same graphic organizer as you had at the beginning, except you notice the little arrows, and these arrows are basically tying each of the summative tasks or each of the activities with the content that is required to achieve the task or activity. So for example, right here, in order to do this one, we're going to link back to, in the book, the text Visite en Haïti, and the videos Les Repas or Le Magasin, or etc. So each piece of content is all the pieces are linked together like a neatly tied package. Days and weeks of fun with this kit, and if it's winter here, it's kind of fun to take your students on a virtual trip to the Caribbean. If you're already a member, a subscriber to Planet French, you know that we offer over 600 resources on the site, planetfrench.com. These include the Booksmart's French courses or French kits. It covers, well, we have over 40 French courses that are available as the in printed versions. But you have access online, and you can share your access with your students, and that way they can use the platform as well. On top of the 40 French courses, we also have news videos, weekly news videos in leveled French, and that covers news from around the world. It also covers Canadian news and celebrations from Canada and around the world. The kinds of courses we develop are for French second language, FSL, basic French, core French, and for French immersion, extended French. We have specialized courses such as our science courses and our social studies courses. We're adding more courses all the time, and we're looking forward to your suggestions as well. We always listen to our teachers and subscribers, and we make sure that we give them the content they're looking for. So if you have any suggestions, and if you are a member, please let us know. Send me an email, guy@planetfrench.com, GUY@planetfrench.com. If you're interested in ordering the kits, you can do so at booksmarts.biz. The courses can be found on the menu item Les Cours. You can search the courses by grade or by level of difficulty, or simply click on all the courses and just scroll down and find the course you're looking for. Or you can do a search over here by clicking on Recherche, and you can just search the courses by clicking on a keyword. So for example, if I were to click on, hiver, type in hiver and click search, and it'll give me lessons and courses that talk about winter. Or you can search by level. Let's say I'm using for example, if I am using the CEFR scale A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2, etc., you can just click on A1 and then look for a topic. And if I, let's say I'm looking for animaux A1, you click submit and it'll look for that content. And then you can click on it and it'll open that piece of content, whether it be a book, a text, article, or a video. Thank you very much for joining me today. I hope you have a wonderful day and the rest of your week. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to call, text, or email. Thanks. Au revoir. À la prochaine.